Hey guys, welcome to Trunka Gaming. Today I'm going to be playing with my remote control car, which is right there in front of the screen. And yeah. What? Today the dog won't really be in the video because he's scared of my remote control car, so yeah. The remote control car says hey to y'all. And yeah. Please subscribe to my channel. Please let me get to 50 or 1,000 subscribers. And yeah. Dude, this song went past. See? Okay. His tail's wagging right now. He's gonna lay down, I guess. Please subscribe to my mom's channel named Embrace Mentality. I think that's what it's called. Embrace Mentality. Your mentality. Embrace your mentality. So yeah. They're not control target fast. You barely can see them on the screen. I can see that y'all can only see me a little bit. Sure. Okay. Now you can go. The remote control car is right there. No! Okay. Why you do that? Okay, there it goes. Okay. Yeah. Oh well, guys. What? What are you doing over here? What are you doing? Okay. You stay there then. Okay, guys. Are you kidding me? See, on the side it says goal. See, I'm a good parker over here. I'm good. I'm inside that car parking in front of this screen. It says the gold and it lights up, you can see. So if I turn the light off, you'll see. Wait a second. So if I turn this light off, it's lighting up. You can see it better now. See, it lights up. Yep. That's what it does. It can light up whenever it wants. So it really lights up when it's happy. And it's happy right now. I did it again. I literally parked in front of the screen again. Are you kidding me right now? So you might can see a little blurrier now, but see, you can see the remote control car in the dark. Wait a second, guys. See? See, guys, look. It's right there. It's right on the screen. See, now you can see it's right there in front of the screen. I'm going to turn on the light, then y'all can see it now. The whole car. Okay. Go. Look at this. Just look at this. Look at this. Dude, look. Oh man, that's pretty silly. Just like right there. But yeah. This isn't Andy. Let me set it back up. But yeah. Okay. The remote control car can prepare it to. Just like it's not gonna hit the screen like it did before. It's not that hyper right now. But I can't park in front of the screen again. It's hard to back up. Oh. Again is outrageous. Parking in front of the screen again is outrageous. See guys, I'm gonna kind of zoom my camera in. Then y'all can see the remote control car closer. But if it goes somewhere else, it can, you know. Y'all can see the view. Yeah, I hear my dog. But yeah. Parked right in front of the screen again. Oh! I really parked right by the phone. See, if I go straight, it's really right there. It's literally right there. Oh! Are you kidding me right now? My dog's face. I'm bad at saying things up. I don't know why at first I kept saying things good, but now I can't. Right there, parked in front of the screen again. Gold! Gold! Okay, now y'all can see the screen now. So you can kind of see the car now. Like the back side you barely can see, but you can see the front. So all the black stuff you can't even see. sad right there. Really sad. Okay. Boom. Guys, can y'all see it? Wait a second, guys. Are you kidding me? See, this is the front. The front says gold too, you just can't see. I wish this was kind of brighter. You get it? Wait a second. Where'd it go? Oh. It really went right here. See, this car for some reason kind of turns by itself. There. Come on. Okay. This is
long video.
Hold on. This is hard to... There. The car says you get a bye. And stay tuned for more videos and shorts. Because this is the end for this video. So bye guys.